Hello friends, welcome back. Let's look quickly on the analysis of Nifty. Yesterday we were discussing like this will be the point around 18660 to open a long position, and we were, you know, not suggesting to go shorts below this point. So many of the people who would have opened shorts here just at the opening of this candle, the first candle of Nifty, and the logic would have been something like it has broken the day low of yesterday's trading session, so we should go long, sorry, short, but they would have got just stopped out around here. So our premises was still long. So if we would have opened around 18660, then possibly we would have definitely got points somewhere around 75 80 points. It is giving 80 to 83 points to the top, but we cannot get everything on the top. It would have been something like more than 50 60 points. So if it was a long trade, you would have just kept moving the stop losses as per lower time frame maybe. If you are trading intraday, it's okay. You would have kept here, then here, and here would you would have got stopped out somewhere around 18.6, 17 or 18. It's okay. So if that was the case, we still will be looking for long trades. But now our long and shorts will be decided by this range. If we remove this part, okay, 18750, 18750 to the upside. This is the future, but future chart, mind it. And on the below side, it will be 18570, roughly 570 or 565. If we are getting a scenario like this, plot like the Fibonacci tool like this, and if we are getting something oddly in this area, you see, this is a congestion zone and it is having a lot of fighting between bulls and bears. So if the price is getting somewhere around here like this and losing momentum, then possibly it will be good to open a long trade here. It looks like an indication that we will be moving down tomorrow because the counter trend candles were getting heavier after after 2 p.m. So possibly we will be getting a retracement from that side. So but still we won't be suggesting to open a short trade until and unless this is broken. This swing low at 567 is broken to the downside decisively. I have already said that we have broken a long time consolidation on Nifty. If you see the daily chart, this has been a long consolidation, and a straight away breakout will not be sustainable. We won't be able to move up. In most of the cases, it may materialize, depends on some market conditions. But as of now, it looks like it has given a breakout, but the chances of breakout failure are much more higher. We may see couple of swings upside, and for that matter, we may see something like this, which will be a top formation, and then we may see a reversing. Unless we are not seeing something like this, breaking of a structure, we will be not opening a short trade. So this is what we will be looking for. If it gives a retracement around 61.8, then we will be looking for a good risk reward and then opening a long position. If it breaks down or opens gap down, then we will be silently waiting for a pullback. Then only we will be going for a short trade. Nothing like a jumping the gun. So we should wait that what exactly market is presenting after its opening. So this is the range, more or less it is the range. We should be deciding if we are going long or if we are going short tomorrow. Let's look at the stocks which we discussed yesterday as well. The first one is AB Capital. Taking some time to load. Okay, okay, this is it. So as you can see, we have been long in this position is this from 130, and it made a high of 138. As of now, if you are looking for a trade, I would rather not suggest going long above this point. Instead, If you are already long from 130, you should be trailing the stop loss around 135. So this will be much more beneficial. In case it is giving like this a consolidation and not breaking below 135, then only you should be able to open a long position with pullback system. That is, you should plot a Fibonacci tool here and you should open long position somewhere around 136.3. In that case, your risk reward will be very high. But in the safer side, I would suggest buying above 138.5. It would be buying above 138.5, and your stop loss in that condition will be the low which will be made here around 136, around 136. So that will be the case for AB Capital. Still, we are holding a good profit in this one. Let's move on to PVR. PVR, as suggested yesterday, we should be opening a buy position above 1875, keeping the SL around 1856. But as you can see, today it was just gathering the steam. As you see from this low, it has not even broken, you know, around one third. If this is one third of this swing, you see, this is the half of the swing, and this is the later half of the swing, then you see that the stock has not broken the upper half. That means the consolidation is bullish in nature, and we should be looking for opening a long position above this. The position or the premise for long still holds good above 1875. Next one is Soft. It was a buy around 294. If you got the entry here, you are sitting on a good profit, and just wait for consolidation here. In fact, you can open a long position with this premises. Open long around 297, around 297.75, keeping the stop loss around, this is what exactly it is, 293.75. 293.75. So this will be your pullback entry here. In case it is just going below this, just, it is going very sharply down, then leave the premise for going long. Otherwise, it is a good potential long for tomorrow. Next one is Balrampur Chini. In Balrampur Chini, we have still not got about 367.5. We were looking to buy. Okay, this is the old one. So, yeah. Okay, this made a new high here, a pullback, a new high here. So we will be looking to buy somewhere close to 376. This will be our entry around 376. 376 will be a very good setup, and our stop loss will be 373 with a target of 384.85. As you can see, this is a very small swing, and it is a risky as well, because it is a small swing. If momentum is not getting higher for bulls, it may break down as well. But in case you get an entry around 376, it will be a very good risk reward for you. You can open a good position. The position size can be good because you are getting almost three times risk. Almost three times risk. So on RR basis, it is good trade. So these are the stocks which we are thinking that can provide a good risk to reward probability for tomorrow's trading session. Alright guys, if you are having suggestions or any feedback, please do post in the comment section. I'll be replying it back. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so that you are not missing any of the updates which are posted to the channel. And if you like the content, please support and share it with your friends. Till then, thank you very much.